Feel like you're getting anything to scrape off?
No, it's sealed on there.
Do you need to go more under the edge? Or is that metal? I'll show you
I
one
can't get it on.
right here.
That's gasket. Careful. Keep it out of the way. Almost going in. Oh no.
No, it's still up there. You're fine.
Cup holders falling off.
Oh.
I'm trying to move it back. Trying to move it back so it doesn't go in. This is like so nerve-wracking. It's what way I could get over here on the edge and peel up on it.
It came up a little bit.
Oh, I did? Oh no.
I don't think it'll hurt anything, because when you flip the engine, it'll fall out.
Should.